Hello everyone and welcome back to another Thrift Store Thursday. If you're new here, my name is Robin and I hope you hit that subscribe button because on Thursdays I like to share with you my thrift store finds from the previous week. I also do a lot of decorating and DIYs here on my channel, so you may want to look around a little bit. Alright, so for this week's haul, I only went to two different thrift stores. The first one I only found two things, and then I found a few other things at the second one. So the first thing I have to share with you guys today, I am super excited about. You may remember how I like to do a little bit of sewing. And this time of year, when the weather starts to get colder, I am filled with desire to do some sewing projects. So I looked at the patterns when I was at the thrift store and I found some awesome ones. And a lot of them were actually in my size, which I thought was amazing because that doesn't happen very often. Alright, so most of the patterns I picked up came in 2-packs. The first 2-pack I picked up was $1.19, which I thought was an amazing price. And this first one is a simplicity pattern, and it just has this basic looking dress on it. Either has a cap sleeve, sleeveless, or like a little short sleeve. And I just thought that was a very cute basic dress, which doesn't look very difficult to do, so I may be looking at that one. But what really caught my eye was this kind of vintage inspired pattern that was with it. Look at that. I mean, that looks totally 60s, right? How fun is that? I love this red and white polka dot. That is so cute. So that was the first set of patterns that I picked up. And then I picked up another set for another $1.19. And this one is very similar to the other one, but this one's actually in my size. And this one as well. It's got a little bit fuller skirt, I think, but it also has a long version, which I thought was kind of nice. Cap sleeve or sleeveless. So I thought that was really cute. And then this one was attached to a 1950s remake dress, which I thought was super cute. And this one's actually in my size as well. Look at that. Isn't it adorable? This is by Simplicity. So I thought that was super cute. And then, you guys, I found two vintage patterns, which I was super excited about. The first one was $1.59, and it is this Simplicity pattern right here. And it is for like a nightgown and a robe, and I just think it is so cute. And this one stayed in 1990, which sadly is, I think, vintage these days. Oh my gosh, which is hilarious. And then this one I was super excited about. This one I couldn't find a date on, but you can tell that it is vintage. It looks like this. Look at that dress. Oh my gosh, I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. So I was super excited to find this one. This one was $1.19. So super excited about that. So I was very, very thrilled to find some patterns so that I can, you know, I don't know, I'll maybe make a dress or something. And then the vintage ones I think are so much fun because I like to collect them. So I thought that was a great thing to find. Alright, so then moving on to the other two things that I picked up at the same store. This first one was $1.59. Let me take the tag off so you can see the whole thing nicely. And it is just a simple, like, decorative tray by Career and Ives. And it looks like this. I love that it's in the oval shape, that it has the white and gold on the outside, but then look at the picture. Oh, it's so pretty. This one is, what do you call it? It's summer, it says. American Homestead Summer. So I thought that was really pretty. At first I kind of thought that it looked sort of fall-like because, you know, there's bits of brown and stuff in there. But the more I look at it, it definitely is a summer scene. So I thought I could use it right away, but I may use it anyways. I don't know. I just think it's so cute. And look, it even has little cows, and then it's got like a little horse and wagon. I think that's cool. And then look at the farmhouse. Oh my gosh. It's awesome. So anyways, perfectly wonderful. I absolutely love this. I'll use that somewhere, I am sure. And then that brings me to my absolute favorite find of the whole week. It is a tea kettle in black and white enamel. It was only $8.79. Look at this little guy. Isn't he adorable? Love it. It's got like a plastic handle, and the inside is a surprising blue. Look at that. Isn't that cool? This is in really good condition still, so I would actually still use this. I mean, it's sturdy. This handle is super sturdy, but I love black and white enamel, so I had to pick this up. I don't have any like this color. Well, I guess this is mostly just white, but then it's got the white or the black accents on it. So it's a rather newer piece, I think, compared to the other stuff that I have, but I think it's going to go really nicely in my kitchen. I've decided that, at least for the fall time, I'm going to use a lot of my black and white enamelware in my kitchen because I just love it so much. So I am excited to have found this to add to my collection, and I couldn't be more thrilled with it. So then that brings me to the very last two things that I picked up, and these I picked up at Goodwill. They were $2.99 each, and it's a set of little bowls. Now, I'm a sucker for little bowls. I don't know why, but I loved the shape of these. How it's kind of got the little pedestal, and then it's got the nice little decorative rim on the top. And I thought these would be perfect size to put candles in, like a pillar candle, which is another thing. I love putting pillar candles in cute little bowls. I don't know why that is. I think I saw it somewhere like years ago, like a country home magazine or something like that, and I fell in love with the look, and I have been copying it ever since because I just love it, how simplistic it is, and plus then I get to buy more cute little bowls. And this one, these two are absolutely adorable. Unfortunately, they don't have a maker's mark on the bottom of them, so I can't tell you where they're from, but I love them. I think they're adorable, and they definitely have that cottage, farmhouse kind of style to them that I absolutely love. So I can't wait to use these. And plus, they look adorable stacked too. So loving these so much. And I couldn't be more happy to add a couple little bowls to my collection. So that, sadly, is all that I picked up at the thrift store this week. Super short and simple thrift haul this week. So I would love to know down in the comments which of the items I picked up was your favorite. And of course, if you did some thrifting this week, don't forget to let me know down in the comments what you found to bring home yourself. I would love to know that. I love knowing that. I think it is so much fun to find out what you guys are looking for, what you're finding at the thrift stores. I just find it very fascinating. So leave me a comment, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and of course subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys next week for another Thrift Store Thursday. Until then, happy thrifting and have yourself a fabulous day. Bye now.